Hello guys, welcome to another build review from U3 Corporation. This is Gabriel Garcia again, and today we'll be reviewing one of our advanced gaming PCs. This one comes with a EVGA GTX 750 Ti FTW with the ACX cooler, and for the CPU, the i7 4790K. Okay guys, so let's start with the CPU. We have the i7 4790K running at 4.0 GHz with up to 4.2 GHz with the Turbo Boost technology. For CPU cooling, we have the Corsair H50 running on push-pull configuration with two SP 120mm fans, high performance. For the video card, we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti FTW with the ACX cooler. For the memory, we have the Corsair 8GB running at 1600 MHz CL9. Okay, for the motherboard, we have the ASRock C97 Pro 4, which comes with a Intel C97 chipset. That's gonna give you USB 3.0 in the front panel and SATA 6, and some very nice features for overclocking in case you want to go for that. That's why we included the Corsair H50, so you can try that out for yourself. Right here we have the EVGA 500 Bronze Plus certified power supply. I think it's enough power for the EVGA GTX 750. For the hard drive, we use the Seagate SATA 6 7200 RPM 1TB hard drive. Alright, let's move on to the front. Okay, so right here we have the 120mm fan, which is gonna give you a nice airflow through all the system for the hard drive and for the graphics card, together with a 140mm fan on top. Let's open up here. So right here we have the Blu-ray rewriter from LG. That's gonna give you a 3D playback as well, running at 14x for the BDR. Alright, let's take a look in the top. So right there you can see the mic, headset, two USB 2.0s, two USB 3.0s, and the fan controller, which is gonna control the LEDs of the 140mm fan, and it's gonna also control the speed for the two SP 120s in case you want to go to a lower noise level. Alright, let's see if you can see the 140mm fan on top. It looks beautiful, right? Okay, so here we have the PS2 for the mouse and keyboard, two USB 2.0s, DVI, VGA, and HDMI, which you won't use because you already have the graphics card here. We also have four USB 3.0, two more USB 2.0, Intel gigabit line, and the analog audio with the optical. So here the graphics card, it comes with a DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Right here we have the TP-Link N900 wireless graphics card with three antennas, 6 DVI each. It's gonna give you a very nice range and enough power to handle any online gaming. And right down here we have another LED control for the ones right on the side. You got 1, 2, 3 levels and the switch on off. And right here, this is the exhaust for the H50 radiator with the two fans. Alright. Okay guys, so now we're gonna test some video performance on the EVGA GTX 750 Ti FTW together with the i7 4790K. So let's check it out and hope you like it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like the benchmark scores on the video card and the CPU. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and check our eBay store to stay up to date with our newest products. Thank you.